everyone. My name is Rashi. I am studying 7th standard at KP School. I am going to explain about sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which makes us to hear. What is the source of sound? Sound is the disturbance created in the matter, solids, liquids, gases. How is sound travel? Sound travel in the form of waves. They are divided into two types: longitudinal waves and transfer waves. Longitudinal waves, they travel compression and refraction. Transfer waves, they travel in crest and trough. Sound instrument, they are divided into three types: string instrument, wind instrument, percussion instrument. String instrument function with the help of string. Wind instrument function with the help of wind. Percussion instrument function with the help of percussion. String instrument example bass, guitar. Wind instrument example flute, oboe. Percussion instrument example drum and congos. This is my topic today, sound. Thank you very much.